This is a good test for BMW Isetta brake light switch. I started with this on Honda 600s just because I was destroying a bunch of the switches trying to test them the wrong way. So you get one of these air blow guns, you take the tip out, the blow tip, and you screw in the brake light switch and hook the two terminals to the connectors there. And I use the ohm scale over here and have about probably at least 60 psi. Not going to hurt the switch. And then I use the ohm scale on the audio setting because it's easier to operate that way for me anyway. And then you hit the air, and you can see that. So that makes for a good switch. If your needle doesn't move, it's a bad switch. So I've got one bad switch and one good switch. Save you a lot of time if you instead of putting it all together on the car and then finding out you got to take it all apart again.